Lost track of your MoneyGram transfer. Don't worry, here's exactly how to find out where your money is, or even how to get that crucial reference number back. First, let's discuss tracking your MoneyGram transfer. The key to this whole process is your unique MoneyGram reference number. This is usually a 8-digit number that you receive after initiating a transfer, either from the sender or the location where you sent the money. If you have your reference number readily available, the tracking process is incredibly straightforward. Head over to the official MoneyGram website, look for the Track a Transfer or Track a Transaction section. This is usually prominently displayed on the home page. On the tracking page, you'll find a designated field. Simply type or paste your 8-digit MoneyGram reference number into this field. Be sure to enter it exactly as it appears on your receipt or confirmation. Once you've entered the number, click the Track Now or a similar button. Within moments, MoneyGram's system will pull up the details of your transfer. You'll be able to see its current status, whether it's processing, ready for pickup, or already received by the recipient. Now, what if you've misplaced that vital reference number? Don't panic. If you initiated the transfer online, you can likely retrieve your reference number from your account history on the MoneyGram website. Just log in and look for your transaction logs or past transfers. If you sent the money in person at an agent location, your best bet is to contact the agent where you made the transaction. They will often be able to look up your transfer using other details you provided, like your name, the recipient's name, or the amount sent, and then provide you with the reference number. So whether it's tracking a live transfer or retrieving a forgotten reference number, MoneyGram makes it manageable. Always keep your reference number safe. But if you do misplace it, these steps should help you get back on track.